Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 6130M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor does have the loader joystick in it as well, so you certainly can add a loader to the tractor if so desired. Tractor is in really nice shape, practically a new tractor, has just under 100 hours on it, so very, very sharp tractor. Does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Tractor's GreenStar Ready, has the mirrors and the beacon light on the cab. Corner post exhaust, has the two doors in the cab as well. Work lights on front, back, and side of the cab. Has the buttons back here for PTO and 3-point on both fenders. Rear wiper, triple rear hydraulics. Has the ISO connector here. 540 and 1000 PTO. 3-point arms with the extendable links. Just about as close to new as we can find for you. Certainly a tractor that is just a tick off a new. Very, very sharp tractor. We'll show you the inside of the cab. No surprises in here. Looks just like the exterior. Does have the tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand reverser up here on the steering column allows you to change direction without clutching. Also can change direction with this little button right here on the loader joystick. Also can shift your power shift with the buttons on the loader joystick. Has the 24-speed transmission, 6 ranges, 4-speed power shift within each range. All your PTO hydraulic 3-point controls all located to the right. And then up top you have the radio, sun visor, rear view mirror, plastic still on the seat. And again, just about as close to new as we can find for you. Tractor does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Check the listing for the exact warranty dates. We have approximately 150 used tractors on our yard. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.